Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason. We're going to do a little segment today called Mail Time. Let's see what you guys sent me. Okay, I lied. I have 10 followers. Nobody sent me crap. Something I ordered, so let's see what I got. Ceramic coating, shine, diamond protect, paint, decal paint, color repair, fix, wax, clay seal, polish paste, glass clean from Color and Drive. Yay. So let's see what it looks like when we put this on. I am going to ceramic coat the rim, so let's see how, we'll do it before and after and see kind of how it turns out. So as you can see, what's inside the box is obviously you get some directions. You do get a spreading microfiber cloth, a polishing microfiber cloth, 2 sponges for application, a pre-treatment, and then the deep gloss ceramic coating and a pair of latex gloves to wear for installation. So it's not bad. I believe I think I paid 59 bucks or something like that on Amazon. So let's see how it turns out. We'll do it before. I washed the rims yesterday. Again, I only have like 800 and something miles on the car, so there's not a ton of miles on it, so of course the rims are not going to be in that bad a shape, but we shall see how they look after it's all complete. And then eventually the car's already wrapped with the clear bra, but the only parts that are not is the roof is not, the back hatch is not covered, and the very back end is not covered with any kind of a clear bra, so I may do that later. Let's just see how the rims turn out first. that's a little bit quieter. Basically what I did was after I washed the rims yesterday, I did a pre-coat I guess it cleans it, gets it prepped for the ceramic coating. Then I installed the ceramic coating with that yellow sponge, and I don't think I did it exactly the way they said, because it was on rims, it was a little bit harder to do than maybe the hood and the and the body. But hopefully it'll look good. Hopefully it'll work. That's the biggest thing. Hopefully it'll keep the brake dust off the rims, or at least make it easier to clean. If it does do a good job, I will probably take it to a tire place in the area and have them remove the tires, let me bring them home, wash them, clean them, do them, and then redo the whole thing where I get the barrel of the rim and all the back. But I wasn't going to do that unless I knew this stuff was going to work. And I'm probably, like I said, going to do some other parts of the car that actually don't have the wrap, which is not very much. But anyway, so we will see how it goes. I'll do another video later on showing whether or not the brake dust comes off pretty easily or not. So I did have a little trouble with the container getting the product onto the sponge. It seemed like it didn't want to come out, but so it's not really well lit in here, so I couldn't quite tell if I had enough solution on the sponge, but it did look like it was on there. But they look really good, but that's because they're brand new, so I'm pretty sure no matter what I would have done, they would have looked pretty good. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.